Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of t plus t equals 2. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So what we are going to do will be to move this t over here. Then this gives us square root of t. And this equals 2. This becomes minus t. Now what we can do will be to take the squares of both part of this equation in order to eliminate the square root. So we take the squares. Now, if you have square root of x raised to the power of 2, this equals x, because this cancels this, right? So the square root of t will cancel the square here. We have t, and this equals this raised to the power of 2. So what we are going to do will be to have t minus 2 minus t times 2 minus t. So from here, we have t equals, we can expand this 2 times 2. That is 4, 2 times minus t, minus 2t minus t times 2, minus 2t minus t times minus t, plus t squared. Now from here, of t equals 4, minus 2t minus 2t, we have minus 4t, plus t squared. So what we can do next is to move t over here, which is 0 equals 4 minus 4t plus t squared minus t. We have minus 4t here, we have minus t here. So minus 4t plus minus t will give you minus 5t. So this is 0 equals 4 minus 5t plus t squared. Now let's rearrange this. We have t squared minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. So this is the quadratic equation that we are going to solve, and we can solve this using the formula method. So we solve using the formula method. Now the formula, you write it in respect to t, as t equals negative b plus or minus square root of this is b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. Now, if you compare this to the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, it simply means 1, which is the coefficient of t squared, is our a, negative 5, which is the coefficient of t, is our b, and c is the constant here, which is 4. So substituting it right here into this quadratic formula, we have t equals negative b, negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 5 to the power of 2, minus 4 times 1 times 4, divided by 2 times 1. From here, I have t equals, this is 5 plus or minus square root of, this is 25 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16, this is 9, divided by 2. From there, I have t equals 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, divided by 2. And from here, you have t equals, you take the positive one, this is 5 plus 3, divided by 2, or you take the negative one, 5 minus 3, divided by 2. So from here, you have t equals 5 plus 3, this is 8, divided by 2, or 5 minus 3, this is 2 divided by 2. So from here, you have t equals 8 divided by 2, is 4, or 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have two values for t, which are 4 and 1. Now, the funny thing is that you can as well solve this quadratic equation here using factorization method. It's quite factorizable. So if you rearrange this, you have t squared minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. So to solve this using factorization method, you need two numbers that if you add, you have -5, and if you multiply, you have 4. This is what you get when you add. This is what you get when you multiply. Now the two numbers that if you add, you have -5, and if you multiply, you have 4. If you consider -1 and -4, -1 plus -4 will give you -5, and -1 times -4 will give you +4. So those are the two factors. So you simply have your t squared minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. So from here, we have t squared. You can have minus 1, but there's t here, or minus 1t, which is the same thing as minus t. Or let it be like that. Then you have minus 4t. Then you have plus 4 equals 0. Remember, -1t minus 4t will give minus 5t. So from here, there's t, you can factor out t. T squared divides t, you have t minus this divides this, you have 1 minus 4 times this divides this, you have t. 4 divides -4, you have minus 1, and this equals 0. Have you seen that? So from here, you take this and this minus 4, you have t minus 4 times you take one of this, you have t minus 1 equals 0. So from here, you have t minus 4 equals 0 and t minus 1 equals 0. So if you solve these individual equations, from here you have t equals 4, here you have t equals 1. The same solutions that we had using the formula method. So guys, that is it. If you want to check, you have t equals 4 and t equals 1. Let's start when t equals 4. You have square root of t plus t equals 2. Square root of 4 is square root of 4 plus 4 equals 2. Now square root of 4 is 2 plus 4 equals 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, and this is not 2 because 6 is bigger than 2, meaning that this particular value here is not a valid solution. Let's consider when t equals 1. You have t equals 1. You have square root of t plus t equals 2, and t is 1. The square root of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 1 plus 1 here is 2, and this equals 2. This has satisfied the equation. So the only correct solution here is t equals 1. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.